Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today tutorial is about amazing tips and tricks of Samsung Galaxy. Type something, then click and hold on spacebar. The cursor control appear. Then click on the swipe touch and feedback. Click on the touch and hold spacebar. Then click on the voice input. Then again click and hold on the spacebar. Now you speak anything you want. Go to the widgets. Click on the device care. Click on this. You can easily save the storage by this. Go to the calculator. Click on scale. You can use all converters such like area, length, etc. You can also use scientific calculator in your mobile. You can use separate contacts list in both Messenger